reality?
Today, while the Senate continues its essential functions, there's a nostalgic yearning for the days when hearings were marked by fiery passion and uncompromising integrity. The evolution of the Senate reflects broader changes in political culture and governance. As we look back at Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago's indelible mark on Philippine politics, we're reminded of the power of conviction and the enduring importance of holding power to account.
Sabi ni Juan, noong 2013, tumakbong mayor ang tatay ko. Pedro, wow! Ano bang ginagawa niya ngayon? Juan, wala. Nanalo siya eh. Bakit hindi naho-hold up ang politiko? Sagot, professional courtesy ng magnanakaw. Kung ang opposite ng pro ay con, ano naman ang opposite ng progress? Sagot, anong opposite ng progress? Sagot, Congress.